The trimmer head spring applies pressure to the spool. When the spool is tapped to the ground, the spring compresses, allowing the spool to contact the hub, which feeds line. The spring then pushes the spool back out. After years of use, the spring can lose some of its tension. This can cause the spool to not retract, causing line to continue feeding from the head. Replacing the spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bump cap from the trimmer head. The bump cap is secured to the trimmer head with two plastic locking tabs. I'll depress the tabs and pull the cap away from the hub. With the cap removed, now I can remove the spool. And now I can remove the spring. Now I can install the new spring. I place it over the spindle and press it into place. Now I'll reinstall the spool. I'll thread the trimmer line through the eyelet, align the spool with the shaft, and I'll pull on the trimmer line to pull it free from the holder. Now reinstall the bump cap. I place the bump cap over the spool, aligning the tabs with the slots on the hub. Once it's aligned, I'll snap it in place. And that's how easy it is to replace the spring in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.